I love shooting these birds. They chirp so cutely. Many more should be there along with them. About 5 to 6. First visit to this spot. This landscape done by me. Oh, just know that they were chirping so cutely. Started passing the time. Let us wait. Started raining all of a sudden. See, this call is a warning call. After having listened to my voice, we are staring into the window panel and making this chirping. I wonder where are the rest of the what do I call them? The group. That's it. Get the name. Get me the name of the bird. Increased rain. They're feeling bad about the sudden rain. Just now they had started chirping and stopped all of a sudden. They can notice me maybe. I love them. I love the chirping they do.